This is a great small camper. Hey everybody, Alex, Stop on Yellow RVing. Today we're checking out the all-new 2026 Jayco J-Flight 160 LK. This is a nice small floor plan, ton of countertop space. You got a little slide out on it, large bathroom. Let's jump right into it. So starting out in your kitchen here, you got this huge counter space, a lot of counter space. This trailer is only like 21 feet overall. And then you got storage drawers here. That's your heater right there, or propane furnace, I should say. You got storage right under here too. 2-burner cooktop. You got the nice range hood here. And then microwave up top. Storage drawers, or doors, I should say. I don't even know what I'm saying half the time. You got more storage right up here. Then you got good storage right here for all your cups and plates and everything. Lots of lights under here too. Good windows on the campsite of the unit. Undermounted sink right here. You got your faucet you can swivel around. Storage, good spot for the trash can. And then your converter panel is right over here too, so it's going to be your fuses and breakers with some storage right above it. 12-volt refrigerator, and this is going to be an 8 cubic foot, so you get a lot of space. Definitely plenty of room for those long weekend trips and everything. This is going to be your slide out right here. This will also be a jackknife sofa if you did need an extra sleeping space. So that's pretty easy. This will just drop right down like that, kind of like a futon style. So definitely good to have a nice little spot here to sit and relax. You also have this large window that does open too. Coming around, sitting down on your counter space right there, there is outlets and output for TV if you'd like to add that. And then you do have the roof mounted AC on this particular unit. Checking out your bed, you got the east-west bed there, and then you do get this nice folding table that comes with it. So you do have a table in here. You got storage right up there, cubby storage right there. And then over here, this is going to be your hanging bar space, so you can't hang up your clothes. Then this is all storage right under the bed too. So that's all storage and you can't access it from the outside. USBs and outlets right next to the bed. Going towards the back, check out the bathroom here. So this is a large shower in this unit, so definitely a good size shower there. You got the vanity over here, storage right below, toilet, and you got a nice linen closet here. Very cool. Undermounted sink, you got outlets up there, little towel hook, and then this is going to be for your 60,000 BTU on-demand hot water heater. Yes, 60,000 BTUs on a tiny unit like this. Stepping in the shower. I'm right about 6 foot tall, so still plenty of room in here. Can definitely get the job done. Yeah, if you guys made it this far in the video, please like and subscribe. On to more on here. Back in your living space, giving you another nice pan through here. This one is the farmhouse interior. So it's all the nice whites in the cabinets. And let's take a look at the outside of it. This is going to be 21 feet 7 inches overall, and then this is 3,545 pounds dry weight. So plenty of vehicles should still be able to tow this. Some of your smaller SUVs, the smaller trucks, the Tacomas, the Frontiers. Got a nice storage space out on the outside too. Big power awning to it. So you got your power awning, spare tire off the back. Then you do have stabilizers on the back too. You get these nice solid steps as well that flip right out. These on a retail price, these are a little over $30,000. Depending on your local dealer, you can probably get it for around that $20,000 mark. So you got the Jayco 2+3 year warranty as well. So you've got a 2-year warranty. That's going to cover your appliances, stitching on your couch cushions. Checking out the front of it here, you got this nice diamond shield, single propane bottle, manual tongue jack. You can still upgrade that if you wanted to though. And then this is going to be that underbed storage right here, so you have access to it on the outside. Then this is a 30 amp hookup on this camper. And we'll take you to the connections right over here. So small slide out, you can still use the floor plan even with it closed. You got your fresh water tank fill. Your tinted windows, very good for safety. It's the middle of the day right now. You can't really see inside that camper. With those tinted windows, you do have shades on all the windows too. More tinted window. This is going to be the back of your hot water heater right here. 30 amp power cord plug, and then your city water connection. And then down here is going to be your tank releases. So you hook your sewer water hose right up there. Then you can pull your tanks to dump. Going towards the back, you got the backup camera prep on this unit, as well as the roof ladder prep. You can get that telescoping roof ladder. Figured I'd keep this one a little bit shorter for you guys today. Appreciate you checking out the Jayco J-Flight 160LK, all new 2026 model. It's been Alex, a stop on Yellow RVing. Like and subscribe already, please. Thank you.